Have you ever wondered about the hidden strength of your home, or perhaps noticed a new crack that makes you pause and think? Ensuring your home's structure is sound and safe is absolutely essential, especially during a renovation. To choose a structural engineer for your home, begin by seeking referrals from trusted sources like architects, reputable contractors, or even friends who have recently completed structural work. Then, verify their professional licensing and experience with residential projects similar to yours. Finally, interview at least 2 to 3 candidates to ensure a good fit. A structural engineer plays a critical role in evaluating and designing the load-bearing elements of your home. They understand how different forces, such as gravity, wind, and seismic activity, impact your building. Their expertise ensures that any modifications or new constructions you undertake will be safe, compliant with local building codes, and will not compromise your home's integrity. Think of them as the guardians of your home's bones. Start your search by contacting your local building department, as they often maintain lists of licensed professionals or can direct you to professional engineering organizations. When you connect with potential engineers, ask for their professional engineer license number and check its status with your state's licensing board. Always request a portfolio of their previous residential projects, paying close attention to ones that involve similar structural challenges to what you are facing. This due diligence confirms they have the necessary qualifications and practical experience. Next, clearly outline the scope of your project. Be specific about what you need them to evaluate or design, whether it is removing a wall, adding a second story, or assessing foundation issues. Request a detailed proposal that explains their scope of work, fees, and timeline. A clear contract protects both you and the engineer. Also, ask about their professional liability insurance, which offers protection in case of errors or omissions in their work. When interviewing, do not hesitate to ask questions. Inquire about their communication style, how often they will be on site, and their typical project turnaround times. A good structural engineer will not only possess technical skills but also communicate complex information in an understandable way. They should be able to explain the implications of their findings and propose solutions clearly, empowering you to make informed decisions about your home. Ultimately, choosing the right structural engineer means investing in the long-term safety and value of your home. By taking the time to research thoroughly, verify credentials, and communicate effectively, you ensure that your renovation or repair project is built on a solid foundation of expert advice. This careful approach will give you peace of mind and help avoid costly problems down the line.